guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzy, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'm going to share how to achieve full fluffy brows without using any soap. As you guys can see, these brows look super natural and they look like they could honestly be my real brows. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I achieve this look, then please stay tuned for the video. To start off, I'm going to take these Pacifica 100% vegan super detox purification wipes to show you guys I don't have any makeup currently on my brows. I naturally have thick brows, but I've been using this new product to help me grow them out, which is why I felt like now would be the perfect time to do this video. To apply the product to my brows, I'll be using Sigma brushes, and if you guys want to save 10% off, you can use my coupon code JazzieJaeT on all your Sigma Beauty purchases. To fill my brows in, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I first brush my eyebrows up in one direction. This way it makes applying the product visually easier so you don't overfill them, because you want to make sure that it looks super natural by making small brush strokes similar to your natural eyebrows. Going in with my small angled brush, I pick up some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I ever so lightly, starting from the front of the brow, I go in making small brush strokes, as you don't want to overdo it because it can quickly turn from a natural brow to a super glam brow. When I get to the tail of the brow, it's a little difficult because I'm growing this area out, so I visualize where I want my brows to stop, and that helps determine how long I make them. Switching back to the spoolie, making sure I brush the hair in one direction to blend the dip brow pomade in with my natural brows, making them look even more natural. After blending, you can add more brush strokes as you see fit, but make sure to keep a light hand as you don't want to overdo it. I like to extend my extend my left brow in the front because I'm also working on growing this area out too. Once the dip brow pomade is applied to both my eyebrows, I then like to go in and set everything in place with the Sigma Tint and Tame gel in the shade Clear. They offer a few different styles of the Tint and Tame gel. Be sure to check the description box down below. Before I started using the Sigma Tint and Tame gel, I was using a mascara, and what I noticed is it would add additional pigment, and that made them look like they were super filled in. So with this being clear, it's perfect that it just sets the eyebrows in place without adding any additional pigment. I use the spoolie to brush the brows upwards, making sure each and every strand is coated so my brows will stay in place. Once my brows have been set, I like to go ahead and conceal them. I've been obsessed with this Glossier Stretch Concealer. It's super buildable, lightweight, but it has amazing coverage. Unlike a full glam brow, I only concealed the bottom of the brow, creating the illusion that the brows are waxed and more uniformed. As you guys know, with us not being able to go get our brows done, this is a perfect way to shape your brows up to make them look like you just got them done. Plus, doing this allows me to create my arch a little higher, which is why I've been growing them out. I'm in the middle of reshaping my brows. I figured since I naturally have full brows, there's no need for me to get microblading, which is a form of tattooing permanent pigment on your face. After I applied the concealer to the bottom, I blended out using my Sigma Concealer S75 brush. This is what it looks like blended out versus unblended, and as you guys can see, adding the concealer to the bottom helped clean them up, but it also makes them stand out more. I find using a pomade to achieve this look lasts longer than using a powder, and reaching for a clear tint and tame gel opposed to a mascara helps the brow stay in place, but it also doesn't add any additional pigment, keeping these brows looking super natural and realistic. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I personally achieve full fluffy brows without having to use any type of soap. If you guys did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.